Select the rectangle tool. Make a rectangle that's 450 by 1050 pixels. Select the selection tool. Make the corners of the rectangle round. Rotate the shape 45 degrees. Go to Edit. Copy. Go to Edit. Paste in front. Rotate this shape the other way. Select both shapes. Use the shape builder to connect the shapes. Press Alt to remove the parts at the bottom. Select the selection tool. You can now align your heart in the center. Make the fill transparent. And pick a stroke color. I use a stroke weight of 5. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Transform. Make the horizontal and vertical scale 94%. Make the angle 3 degrees. Select Scale Strokes and Effects. I make 60 copies. And that's how you create this rotated heart.